Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off as where to save each file before downloading options in Google Chrome desktop. So these settings in Google Chrome that when enabled prompts you to choose the locations on your computer where you want to save a file every time you download some things. This gives you more control over your download files and helps prevent all your files from being saved automatically to the default downloads folder. Then I'll show you a quick method on how to do it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your Google Chrome browsers, and then you need to click, and then once open up, and then you need to click the three vertical dots on the top right corners to open this menu. And then you need to scroll down and select the settings gear button here and then click. And then on left hand menu, and then you need to scroll down again and select this downloads button here and then click. And then on right side here at main pane, so you can see now this downloads. So we have three options here like locations, then ask where to save each file before downloading, and next show downloads when they're complete. So you need to select this ask where to save each file before downloading. So if you want to enable this feature, toggle this button one time to right, then it's turned on. So otherwise, toggle this oval one time, it's bay grayed out and it's turned on. So just toggle this button to right and left if you want to enable or disable. So after it's modified, so you'll need to relaunch the browser. So we need to close this browser and then we need to open again. And then once you open up, and then I'll show you how it works when it's turned on. So here in a searching address bar, then we need to search. And then for example, I want to download this image. And then if you want to download this image, then you need to select and then right click. And then click this save image as. And then on left corner, it will pop up this menu as where to save the files. Okay? So you need now to select in which you want to save the files. So you can choose either this PC, downloads, desktop, documents here. So it will pop up here when it's enabled this where to ask to save the file. Alright, then you need to click this save. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.